telling you, you are fat, oh, you are fat, oh, you are fat, oh, as if that is a greeting, as if that's good morning, or that's good afternoon, or that is take money. So hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Antoinette Oguma, impacting the change through technology and helping you have a well-balanced life with Christ at the center. So today I did a video because I've already filmed it. That's how I got this makeup look. I filmed on how I got this makeup look, and in the ending of the video I said I was going to add a lip gloss and I did not add, so let me add it now for people to see. It's just a normal pink lip gloss. It's not really colorful, but it has a little bit of color, so I just want to use that. I don't know if it's fine now, but let me just leave it the way it is, and then I'll just talk a little bit and then you watch the video. So yeah, if you want to see how I achieved this makeup look, you want to know what I have been up to, you want to know where has this girl been. She has just been, you know, MIA. No, I've not been MIA, but you want to know the reasons why I have not been able to film like sit down videos and talk to you people about things or stuffs, and then why real talk is not out. Actually, I don't think I talked about why real talk is not out, but I have been busy and lazy at the same time. So yeah, I've been busy and lazy to bring out real talk, and it's going to be out. Okay, I've been trying to film, but this is the first time I'm coming out of my shell to actually film this year, to sit down and talk to you guys. I made a video in 31st. I'm already saying what I already said in the video. Please just go and watch it. Watch it, like, comment, subscribe, thumbs up. Okay, thumbs up is like. Watch the video, learn this makeup look, how I decided to look this divacious, wow, how I decided to look this good. So yeah, or how I got this beautiful look. Stay tuned and watch the video. I want to do a tutorial. I was thinking I wanted to do a video, and I was like, okay, let me do my makeup and then come and talk to you people and stuff like that. Wait, what am I behaving in here? Okay, so talk to you people and stuff like that, and then I was like, okay, let me come and talk, and then I was like, let me do my makeup first, and then I was like, let me come and talk, and then it just came to my head. It was like, okay, do the makeup and talk. Like, what do you want to say that you cannot talk with the makeup? Like, you cannot talk while doing the makeup. So yeah, I just thought to like, okay, let me come and film this right here like that, the way that I am, and do the makeup as I'm talking, because time is money. That's something I've learned in this 2019. Like, I don't know, it's just a mentality that just came from, I don't want to say from nowhere, but it has just been with me that time is money, don't waste time. So yeah, no, for some reason I've been liking money this 2019. It's not as if time is money, but I've been, everything that is in my head now connects to money. If you straight it down, you shall lead to money. So yeah, that's what I've been thinking about. And so when I wanted to do makeup, I was like, time is money, so let's not waste time and let's not waste money. Time is investment. Okay, so yeah, that's why I am here today. And first of all, I think I'll just go and wash my face first, or I rinsed my face before I came, but let me go and wash it, and then I'll now come back and do the makeup. So this month has not been here since, so this has been very, very quiet today. So I'm coming back and I'll keep you people posted and updated. So I'm back like I never went, and I'm kind of looking at the mirror because I know I'm going to do a makeup tutorial. So yeah, okay, so I've washed my face and I'm back, and I just want to start my makeup, and I will just keep you guys updated on how I have been, why I have not been here, and stuff like that. So yes, for some reason I don't know why my light is not turned on, but I'm not turning it on right now. Yes, this is it. So my light is turned on now, and I want to do my makeup. So I may not be looking at the camera, pardon me, I'm looking at the mirror so that I will not do rubbish on my face. Yes. So people have different ways they start their makeup. Some people will start by using primer, some start by using foundation and stuff like that, but I am a chronic believer of starting makeup with brows. So yes, I'm going with my brush set. It's 24 I think, 24 piece brush set. So it's not as if I'm going in with it now, but gradually I get to use like maybe 12. So yeah, I'll start with my brow brush. Start with my brow brush, and then I'll just brush my eyebrow. I'm looking at the mirror, so please pardon me. I cannot use camera to do my makeup. So yeah, I'm trying to just brush my eyebrow because it already has the shape, so it's a bit more easier to draw. And then I'm trying to look I don't know why I did not set all these things on top table since, so I don't know why I did not just set them, so I'll just be getting them one by one. But sha, I've seen what I'm looking for. I'm looking for my brow pencil. It's a Nichido pencil, so yeah, I just go in with that. I like it because it's thick and should I say it's oily, but yeah, something like that sha. So my mirror is quite fun. I don't know if I'm doing rubbish on my face, but you will love me like that now, even if I'm looking like what I don't know. So yeah, I just go in with my pen. Sorry, I'm not teaching people brows, because brows is something I have to be fixed, but let me try sha. So yeah, I just go in with this. I don't know if you can see what I am doing, if I'm below the camera or above the camera, but I think I'm proportionate. Is it proportionate that is the English? Anyone, you shall understand what I'm trying to say. If you don't understand, that's me in the comment section. I would have remembered the language by then. So I don't know, I think I'm doing rubbish on these brows, but I think I did it correctly here. So what I did was basically start from here, like start from, it's not the middle, start from here sha. Look at your brows and start from here. So yeah, I just start from here and then I fill it in, and then I fill it in. I'm not filling it in right, but I've already done it. Wait, do you understand? Yes, I know you understand. So yeah, I just go in like halfway, and then later I now start light strokes and taking it inside. So yeah, that's what I'm doing, and then I'll just finish the brows and then come back to the video, because I'm trying to maximize space in my phone right now, because I use my phone to video, like yeah. So yes, I'll see you guys when I'm done with the full brows, and I'll show you guys how I conceal. So I've been able to do these brows off camera because this is the brows that needs more attention. Sorry, I have to turn this off. Because this is my brows that needs more attention, my left brows. I don't know why it's always like that for me, but it needs more attention than this one. And this one is just like the manuscript of the brows, the lesson notes, like some teachers used to call their notes that time the lesson notes. This is the brows that I used to know what to do for the other one, and for some reason I had to do this one first because I had to turn on the camera. So yes, I had to do this one off cam, conceal everything off cam, and it looks somehow, but one thing you have to understand is brows assistants, they are not twins, so I can't come and keep myself on top any brows. So yeah, on top any brow rather. So yeah, I'm going to do this one and conceal this one on camera. I'm going to try. If I cannot, I will have to turn off the camera. So yes, life update. What has your girl been up to? So I've been up to a few things, and the reason why I have not filmed is because I have been lazy. I know it sounds somehow to say I have been lazy, but yes, I'm going to tell myself the truth. I have been lazy. I have been busy, but I have been lazy as well, because it's not the kind of busy I was busy is not something, sorry, I'm not talking about the brows, but yeah, the kind of busy I was busy is not something that I cannot push other things aside for it, or push with other things. I don't know if you get me, but yeah, that's the kind of lazy that I've been lazy. And yes, so let me conceal this brow. So yeah, I started from the middle, and with this side, you can see the brush. It's my angle brush. It has a tip that is slant, I think. So yeah, it has a tip that is slant, so you can see it, and that's exactly what I'm just doing. I'm trying to use the slant part to to conceal, like to clean it up and have good edges. So yeah, that's basically what I am doing. And I have had other things aside. I have the year started with exams though, so I started this year with exams. So I have been writing exams from exam to exam, but it's not like I couldn't push other things with it, because it was not something that had to take up all my year. And you can imagine we're already in the 21st, I think, one of the two, I don't know the date, but we're in 21st or 20th of January, and I cannot say that I have sat down to do a video. Okay, fine, I did a video on the 31st of, is it 31st? I did a video on the 1st of January, but I couldn't post it because I had reasons best known to myself why I didn't post it. And it happens that you just do a video and you feel like, no, this is not what I should talk about. So I have my concealer here. The concealer I'm using to clean this is a concealer, an LA Girl concealer, LA Girl Pro Conceal in Fun. And for the top, I just use a dark LA Girl Pro Conceal in Dark Cocoa. That's what I use for the top. But you can also use your foundation. You can use something that is easy for you to blend. I prefer using that because it's easy for me to blend. I don't know, some people use the foundation for the bottom and concealer for the top, but I prefer using concealer for the top because it's easier to blend and you don't start looking like a masquerade when you're done. So yeah, one thing I'm always doing with my brows is that I don't always kill myself on top of the brows, because I discovered that if I waste my time on the brows, I will still end up wasting my time on the other things. I then end up doing the makeup for about 1 hour 30 minutes, or something I could do 45 minutes max. Or yeah, it depends on the kind of makeup or the kind of look I'm going for that day though. So yeah, so I think I'm talking too much. So yes, life issues, no, life, what have I been up to? So yes, that's what I've been up to, and I've had exams, and yeah, that is it. So school has taken up some of my time, and then laziness took up the other part, and then other things took up the other parts of the other parts. So yeah, that's what I'm just doing. I'm just trying to clean the brows. If you notice, I still started from here because I don't want to start from here and start, you know, having a very, very difficult brows, a brows that is difficult to conceal. So if you can see now, you can see that these two brows are not the same. I'm ashamed. I'm not ashamed, I'm proud of myself, because I know that it's rush that made me to do this one like this, and it can be worked on. By the time I finish putting foundation, no one is going to notice or anything. I'm not a makeup artist. It's not like I have a contract to do makeup for somebody and I'm not delivering well. It's my face last. So yeah, please pardon the noise outside. It wasn't noisy before I started this video, like I said. So yeah, let me continue. I'm just going to continue in my concealing, and then yeah, so that's what I've been up to, and it's not like any other thing has taken up my time or something. But yes, and also I'm not going to pretend like I don't know all this pretend that I've been, you know, not trying to pretend. It's like I love you people, so I'm not pretending for you people. Okay, I'm not a pretender though, but yeah, I'm not going to pretend like I don't know that real talk ought to have started, but I have been too lazy. Like I said, laziness stepped in, and then today I have to break out of that lazy shell, and that's because I don't have class today. So I don't have class today because there's something they did yesterday, a festival kind of thing, sinologue, and I don't want to talk much about it because I don't want it to look like I'm doing an advert for them. Yes, so that's a festival they did yesterday. So I think most people are tired today, and they said they will not have class, like my teachers rather, they said they will not have class, so classes will begin tomorrow. So yes, I have to be in school tomorrow. So I just thought like, okay, let me just film today, let me know I've done something this week. And I have not really done a sit down video to talk to you guys in a while, and I know that's not fair, kind of, because I have things to say, but your girl has been up to some things that she does not even know what she has been up to. So if someone asks me how have you spent your January, I really cannot say much about how I have spent it, like how productive I have been, but I know I've been productive, Sha. So yes, I just want to do more on these brows because I feel like it looks scary. But yes, so that is what I have been up to. That is like where I have been at, and I've also learned a lesson. Should I keep this one till December when I talk about what I've learned in 2019? But okay, let me just talk about it today though. Sorry, I want to adjust this thing. I feel like it's somehow. So yeah, I want to talk about it today because I feel like it's something that I have learned. I don't know if this is okay now. I feel like it's something that I have learned, and yeah, I want to share because it may help people in this 2019. Why am I always saying 2019 as well? So yeah, one lesson I have learned in this 2019, I know it's just been many days and you're like, only you have started learning lessons. But yeah, if you take a good look at what you've been doing this year, you will know that you've learned lessons. So yeah, one thing I have learned in this year is friendships. I cannot overemphasize that thing, and it's like something that I have learned, that you can't really trust people. You can only, I know there is something my spiritual father says, you cannot trust people, you can only trust the Jesus in them. Okay, I knew that before, but well, it got to be a lesson because it started becoming real to me that you cannot really trust people. You cannot really, you know, trust people the way you trust yourself and stuff like that. For some reason, I had a lot of things to say before I turned on this camera. I was so excited that I was going to be talking to you guys. There's something that I'm always happy about filming, and that's why it's not a work for me, because it's something that I love to do. It's something that when I'm sitting down, when I'm silent, when I'm on my own, I'm always talking to myself. So talking on the camera is not really hard for me. But yeah, that's one thing. So I'm done with my brows right now, and I just want to brush it a little to be sure that it's beautiful.